Hello students and viewers, welcome back again to Science Capsule, a perfect self-learning tool for school children. In today's video, we will be discussing about one of the most important topic under electricity called electric potential and potential difference. About electric potential and potential difference, a separate video will be made available to you. This video is especially made to understand the concept of potential difference by doing some activity. From this activity, you will be crystal clear about what is potential difference by doing the activity. So, this video is going to be very interesting and innovative. So, watch till the end of this video. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. So, let us start the activity. Dear students, you are very much familiar with electric current. With electric current, we carry out our various day-to-day activities, right? Now, we don't know what makes the electric current to work, how the electric current flows in a circuit. Dear students, you are very much familiar with electric current. With electric current, we carry out our various day-to-day activities. Now, how the electric current makes the gadgets attached to the electric circuit work. Let us take an example here. I have a simple circuit as you can see here. Now, some cells are connected together, wires are there, a bulb and a pin is connected. Let us understand this in a simple way. Here, when the cells are connected together, the electric current flows from this circuit and reaches up to here. Once the circuit is completed, then the bulb will glow. At this moment, the bulb is not glowing. Why? Because you see here the gate is open. Now you see, if I close the gate, then you can see here the bulb is glowing. So, the continuous supply of electric current is taking place, right? Now, the question is how the electric current flows in a circuit. This you will understand if you know the two important concepts, namely the electric potential and potential difference. Now, let us learn the electric potential and potential difference by doing an interesting activity. So, dear students, electric potential and potential difference could be understood by taking example of water. Water is the best example to understand the flow of electric current, electric potential, potential difference and all that. Now, you see here two containers are taken in which a colored water taken and more quantity of water is taken in this container, whereas in this container a plain water is taken and the quantity of water is very less. Now, between the containers I have provided a tube with a wall which controls the flow of water between the containers. Now, similar kind of things takes place in case of electric current also. Now, let us understand first what is electric potential. Now, see here in the first container some quantity of water is there, right? Now, this water can exert pressure on the walls. If I release this switch, then what happens? The water will flow from this container to this container. As you can see here, as soon as I release this, colored water from this container reaches here and flows, right? Now, the movement of the flow of water is controlled by a switch. Likewise, in our electric circuit also we have switch. With the help of switch, we can control the flow of electric current. When you put on the switch, the bulb gets lighted up. If you off, then the bulb goes off. So, this way here I have provided a switch. Let us understand what is this electric potential actually. Here the container has some sort of pressure. With that pressure, water is flowed from this container to this container, right? Likewise, in electric conductor also there must have some sort of pressure. With that pressure, the electric charges move from one point to another point of the conductor. Here the pressure exerted by the water is called water potential. In electric circuit, the electrical pressure constitutes electric potential. Got it, children? So, the electric potential and water potential is somewhat related to each other. So, this way we can understand what is electric potential. Now, let us understand what is potential difference. So, dear students, after keeping these two containers for some time, you can see that the water flowed from this container to this container, and here at this point you can see no net flow of water. This is because here you can see the water has reached equilibrium. That means the level of water in both the containers are same. In the earlier case, we have seen that when the water taken in both the containers are at same level, then the flow of water we could not see. Why? This is because both the containers had equal water potential. When there exists equal water potential, then the flow of water from one container to another container will not take place. Then in order to make the water to flow from one container to another container, there must have some difference in water potential. Now let us take this example. Here you can see the container A has more water potential. Here you can see very well, very little amount of water is there, so the water potential is very less. Now if I release the switch, then what will happen? Water will flow from high potential to low potential. Here we can see very clearly there exists difference in water potential. So when I release the switch, then what happens? You can see very well that water moves from this container to this container. Why it happened? Because here we can see clearly there exists difference in water potential. This difference in water potential is known as the potential difference. The same thing we can apply in the electric current also. We call it as potential difference. Now let us understand potential difference on the basis of this concept. Students, now see here I have taken a metallic wire. Here can we see the flow of charge here? We cannot see the flow of charge. This is because here metallic wire, as you can see here electrons are there, electric charges are there, but the charges will not flow from one end to another end. If you connect a bulb, then the bulb will not glow. Why? Because throughout the metallic wire the charges are equal. There exists equal electric potential. Dear students, we could see clearly that the flow of water takes place from high potential to lower potential. There exists difference in water potential. Likewise in conductors also there must have difference in electric potential. This difference in electric potential is known as potential difference. This potential difference may be provided by a cell, battery, generator, etc. Let us understand the potential difference in terms of work done. Now see here, water moves from this container to the next container through a tube. Here we can see very well that the flow of water takes place from this container to this container. So the water has covered some sort of distance with some pressure. In the 9th standard you must have studied work done is equal to force into displacement. So water moves from this container to this container with some force and has traveled some distance. So on the basis of this we can define potential difference between the 2 points of a current carrying conductor as the potential difference between the 2 points of a current carrying conductor is the amount of work done in carrying a unit charge from one point to another point of a conductor. Understood, children? So this is how we can understand the potential difference and electric potential by this activity. So dear students, I hope you enjoyed this video and I believe that you understood what is electric potential and potential difference. So if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can mention it under comment section. See you all on another day with a new interesting video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.